with for loops. So what is a for loop? So we know the definition of a for loop. In practicality, a for loop could be imagined as an if-then-else loop that iterates as well. So a for loop runs the code as long as the value we assign it to iterate over is true. In our case, we create a value called x. We make x less than 5. And then looking at our map here, we can kind of break down the logic that's going to happen. As long as x less than 5, that's true. So it runs this echo statement. Then after it runs the echo statement, it adds 1 to the value of x. So for instance, x was 0. By the time the code got to here, x would now be equal to 1. And then it loops back around and looks at the value of x again. And it does that in a circle until x is greater than the value we assigned to it. And then the statement is false and the program ends. Ooh, that was a mouthful. That's a lot of words to say a very simple concept. Basically, we create a loop, and then every time we go through that loop, we add 1 to a counter. That's easy, right? Now let's go ahead and practice actually doing that.